For the past several years, the Activa has been the most important product for Honda in its lineup. And now in its 6th generation, the scooter comes with a BS6 compliant engine along with a host of other changes. So we are here in Mumbai today to test ride the scooter and see what it's all about. Now, before we get into the riding bit, let me just quickly take you through everything that the Extra G gets you. Honda says that the 6th gen is an all-new Activa down to its chassis. It gets telescopic suspension and finally comes with a 12-inch wheel at the front. However, Honda is only offering the scooter with drum brakes. Also new is an external fuel filler cap, which is a first in the Activa series. The new platform provides a longer wheelbase, which has helped extend the footboard, providing more legroom. Minor tweaks on the outside comes in the form of newly designed chrome accents on the front apron. The new Gen Activa gets sleeker headlamp and is available both with halogen as well as LED units. And this is essentially the only difference between the standard and the deluxe variants of the scooter. At the rear, the design closely resembles the Activa 125 thanks to the similar looking taillights. However, it won't take long for one to realize that this is indeed the smaller one of the two, mainly due to the grab rail. Coming on to the riding, the longer wheelbase has helped the new Activa be more stable and planted during turns and inspires more confidence to carry more speed. This, along with the new 12-inch front wheel and telescopic suspension, have improved the riding dynamics by a huge margin. And before I forget, Activa lovers won't be disappointed this time either, as this one gets a metal body too. At the heart of it, the Activa is still powered by the same 110cc engine that now comes with fuel injection. However, the resulting extra refinement comes at a cost of lesser output. So while the fuel injection has substantially improved the ride quality, the scooter slacks a bit when it comes to performance. The new telescopic suspension is a laudable improvement over the previous generation's conventional ones and does a good job in absorbing most undulations on the road. Now, as we mentioned before, Honda is only offering the scooter with drum brakes on both variants, which we wished was not the case and had an option for disc too. So to sum it up, if you were to ask me that if the Activa 6G has what it takes to meet the benchmark set by its predecessors, I would say yes. The addition of FI has increased the price of the scooter by about 7,000 to 8,000, but that is very reasonable. Hence, if you're looking for a scooty that offers affordability and practicality at the same time, the 6G is the one for you.